Hello class 1. Afternoon. How are you? Fine. So class 1, in our previous live class, we have learned about 4 families of sound. Okay. The same I am going to repeat here orally, and afterwards I will give you some written work in the book. Okay. So this exercise will be an oral one, the same that you learned in the live class. Okay, the first family of sound is S, A, T, P, A, M. What are the 6 sounds? The 6 sounds are S, A, T, P, A, M. Next is the second is K, K, E, H, R, M, D. These are the 2 families. The first one is S, A, T, P, E, M. The second family is K, K, E, H, R, M, D. Now the third family is G, A, what is this? G, A, He. B, B, B. Now the fourth family, what did I say you? I said you that when 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. That means if you see the 2 vowels together, अगर आप 2 vowels को एक साथ देख रहे हो, okay, so जो first वाला vowel होगा, उसका नाम आएगा. Suppose you are looking at AI. So the first letter is A. So the name will come out first, like A. If you are saying as OA, that means the sound will come out O. Okay. So the fourth family is A, J, I, E. These are the sounds of fourth family, and they are like A, J, I, E, R, R. Now I am going to introduce the fifth family of English sound, and that is I will write the letter first, then I will tell you the pronunciation of the same. Z, N and G together. Z, N and G together. W, double O, Z, N, G, W, double O, and V. Now the sound that they produce, are Z say Z, N, G together say va. Whereas we say va, va, va. This is va and this is va, va. And here double O has two sounds. Double O has two sounds. The first sound is short O sound and the second sound is long O sound. Short O says oo and long O says ooh. 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 Now we know the 5 families of sound. अब हम 5 families of sound सीख गए हैं. ठीक है? So the same I am going to repeat. After that I will take an exercise of Sleepy Harry from the book. Okay? So let us revise the sounds. आप मैम के साथ साथ बोल सकते हैं. ठ, ई, Now next. K, k, a, h, r, d, g, a, So these are the 5 families of sound in English. Afterwards, I am taking an exercise of Sleepy Harry chapter 5 from your course book. Take out page number 48. Now class 1, take out your book, page number 48. Class 1, take out your book, page number. Now see here, class 1, it is page number 48 and you are looking at, there is a table in your book and this table shows you the words of each sound, or you can say letter E sound. Okay, letter E sound has 2 sounds. The first one is said to be the long E and the second one is to be the short E. जो long E होता है उसमें E प्रोनाउंस होता है, E, and जो short E होता है उसका साउंड ए होता है. Okay. Now see here, as what we will do, we will read out all the letters, then by and by I will tell you which one is the short E sound and which one is the long E sound. Now just read out the words with the teacher. Bet. Set. आपने अभी पढ़ा है ना? The second family is having this sound e. So it is bet. Set. Pet. Tell. Now come to the third column. The first column, leave the second column and come to the third column. What is the third column? The third column is fell, met, pet, cat, bed. Now again, leave all these columns. Now just look at here that this A is short E sound. This A is short E sound. And here in the question we have been asked if you could write some more short E sound words. आपको यहाँ पर कुछ और short E sound words लिखना है. Let us practice one more time, then we will write the words. Now read the words with the teacher. What are the words? The words are bet, set, pet, hill, till, fell, met, pep, cat, bed. So these are short E sounds and we need to write more. We need to write the short E sounds from this table to here to here. Okay, we will write the short E sounds from the table from here to here. We have to search, we have to find out what are the short E sounds and that we have to write them. So the short E sounds are, what are the short E sounds? The first one is given bet, the second one is set, third is pet, write it down. The next one is hell. Next is tell. Next is fell. I'm putting commas in between. See, I'm putting commas in between. Next is met. The next one pep. Cat and d, bed. So these are the short E sounds, and short E sound has a quick sound. A, b, a, be, h, a, he, s, a, se, l, a, le, a, me, a, ne, t, a, te, t, a, pe. Likewise. Okay. Now we are going to learn long E sound that you have learnt in the fourth family. In the fourth family, we have learned that when double E comes, it is E. So here, and you will get to know about double E sound words, that is long E sound. और कभी-कभी जब E और A साथ में आते हैं, तब भी ये long E sound होते हैं. And sometimes, I'm saying you sometimes only. Just look here. It is B-E-L-I-E-F. That means it is, here it is E. It is sometimes only. मैम ने आपको ये पढ़ाया है कि जब I और E साथ में आएगा तो I होगा, लेकिन कभी कभी किसी वर्ड के लिए ये चेंज भी हो जाता है. That we need to remind. ये हमें रिमाइंड करना पड़ेगा, रिमेम्बर करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न लॉन्ग ई साउंड. लॉन्ग ई साउंड हैज an arrangement of double E and EA together. Now we will read long E sound words, and those are, let us read. B, E, T, beat. S, E, T, seat. P, E, T, peat. H, E, L, heel. H, E, L, heel. These are two words, heel and heel. They both have different meaning. Okay. This is the heel. This is the heel. That is a part of our body. Okay. And this heel का मतलब होता है ठीक होना. Whenever we got hurt, जब भी hurt हो जाता है, कट हो जाता है, जब वो ठीक होता है ना, तो that ठीक होना is called heel होना. Okay. Now this is T, E, L, T. F, E, feel. M, E, T, meat. M, E, T, meat. There are two kinds of meat. The first meat is the flesh, and the second meat is milna. So this is M, E, T, meat. M, E, T, meat. P, E, P, peep. K, E, P, keep. B, E, P, beep. B, E, beep. S, E, see. N, E, knee. Here K and N together they say N. And here K is silent. K यहाँ silent है, K का sound नहीं आएगा. Here it is EY. EY is also a long E sound. K-E-Y is k, e, मैम ने आपको किसी क्लास में बताया था ना, Y is also considered as a semi vowel. Y को भी semi vowel कहते हैं. Although it is not a vowel, but it is a semi vowel. T, E, T. See here it is R, E, S, E, V. Receive. B, E, B. Although it should be B. B, E, B होना चाहिए, but I have told you that for some words, some rules are exceptional. वो हमको याद रखना पड़ेगा. It is B, K, Because like this is B double E B, this is also B E B. It is not है, it is not bed. ये B E और H E B और he है, they are not bed and head. And here it is believe. So we need to write the long E sound along with the short E sound in the blank, and here we have written all the short E sounds, and now I am going to write the long E sounds. Here in the first column, the first word is B, E to beat. The next is sir. It's not sir actually. S. S. E. T. Seat. P. E. T. Peat. He. H. E. L. Heel. H. E. L. Heel. T. E. L. Tea. F. E. L. Feel. Next is M. E. T. Meat. M. E. T. Meat. P. E. P. Peep. K. E. P. Keep. B. E. P. Bee. Okay, and here also these are long E sound. Long E sound words that you need to write the downwards. Okay, and now class 1, some oral work. Some oral work. Here on page number 50 there is a question that do you know what is sleep? Sleep means sona, and it is a daily activity. It is a daily activity. Now do you know why we should sleep? हमें सोना क्यों चाहिए? आपको पता है? सोना बहुत ज़रूरी है. It is a daily activity and we need to take rest. हमारी बॉडी दिन भर काम करती है ना? हमारी बॉडी चलती है, काम करती है, रुकती है, बैठती है, दिमाग वाला काम करती है. ये सारी एक्टिविटीज़ में बॉडी गेट्स टायर्ड, बॉडी थक जाती है. And because of this tiredness, our body needs rest. अगर बॉडी को हम रेस्ट नहीं देंगे तो our body will not be able to work the next day. मामा से भी पूछना, पापा से भी पूछना कि जब बहुत थक जाते हैं और रेस्ट नहीं करते हैं तो नेक्स्ट डे बॉडी अलाउ नहीं करती कि हम काम कर सके. ओके, सो इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी टू take rest on time. So the same question is, where is the question? At page number 50. It is your oral question. This you need to understand. ये आपको समझना चाहिए. That's why the poem Sleepy Harry had been included in your book. जो Sleepy Harry book है, poem है, वो सिर्फ फन के लिए नहीं दिया है, वे कुछ सीखने के लिए दिया हुआ है पोएम कि how we should behave, how we should take care of our body, isn't it? And the question is, sleep is a daily activity, okay? And you need to find out more about sleep and the other daily activities. Now the first question is, why do we feel sleepy? हमें नींद क्यों आती है? What do we have to do to get a good sleep? Why is sleep important? सोना ज़रूरी क्यों है? मैम ने आपको बताया ना कि सोने से बॉडी को रेस्ट मिलती है, बॉडी को भी मिलती है और माइंड को भी रेस्ट मिलता है एंड नेक्स्ट डे के लिए हमारी बॉडी रेडी हो जाती है. सो द आंसर इज स्लीप इज अ डेली एक्टिविटी. वी स्लीप to give our body and mind a rest. When we take a good sleep, our body becomes ready for the next day and a good sleep is important to keep ourselves fit and healthy. और body को healthy और strong रखने के लिए भी sleep body के लिए ज़रूरी है. So sleep is a daily activity and it is very important for our body because it keeps our body, mind fresh and it keeps our body healthy. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.